Go.
Go ahead, show Mommy what you can do. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. What do you got? What do you got there? What do you got? Maxie
oh,
wants
there you
it.
go, Maxie.
Maxie wants it. Say, I can write whatever I want with this. See? Okay, we'll get it for you.
Oh, freakazoid.
Maxie, get out of here.
It's a lay down.
It's not a bone. Get it? Get it.
It's like hands. I don't know how to use those.
Good job. No, no. Oh.
Oh.
Not in the mouth or the eye.